In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Webflow. Start by opening your Webflow project. If you're already viewing the site, switch to the dashboard, then choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer for that project. This takes you into the editing environment where you can see your page layout and make changes in real time. On the canvas, click directly on the text you want to change. You'll see it highlight to confirm it's selected. If your first click grabs a wrapper or another element, just click again until only the text element is highlighted. This ensures any changes you make affect the right content. With the text selected, look to the right side of the screen and open the Settings and Style controls. Expand the Typography section, and if you see a condensed view, click Show All Settings to reveal everything you need. Here, you can manage the element's semantic level and its visual styling. Before you type, it's helpful to confirm the correct heading level. Webflow lets you switch between H1 through H6, as well as paragraph text. Click through the heading options to preview how each level looks in your design. Try H1, then sample H3, H4, H5, and H6. You'll notice the size and weight change with each level. Once you've compared them, switch back to H1 if needed, then choose H2 to set an appropriate hierarchy for this element. Remember, heading levels communicate structure for accessibility and SEO, so choose the smallest level that still makes sense within your page's outline, rather than picking a level just for its size. Now edit the content itself. Click once on the text, then click again or press Enter to place your cursor inside. Type your new copy exactly as you want it to appear. You can add, remove, or adjust words, and the changes will update on the canvas instantly. If you make a typo, use Undo to step back and retype. With the text updated, revisit the Heading 2 settings if you want to fine-tune appearance. In the typography controls, you can adjust font size, weight, line height, letter spacing, and alignment. Small tweaks here help your new text feel consistent with the rest of your site. If something looks off, confirm you're editing the class applied to that element rather than an individual override, so your design system stays clean. That's it. Open your project, select the text, reveal all settings, choose the right heading level, type your new content, and confirm the Heading 2 styling. You've just edited text in Webflow with